Can you get your present? I'm filming them, sir. It's camera on. Get a knife.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
Here, open it up. Here, I got you, sir. I'm getting a box for you. I got something to open that box up. Hold on, hold on. Open that spoon. Hey! You woke up now?
Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas.
Mi amor.
Merry Christmas, Pina. Love you too. Where's my grandpa?
Puedes darle de comer a los caballos.
Oh, of course.
¿Qué está haciendo, mijo?
Jose's opening up his present. I'm gonna show you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's opening.
Estoy bueno.
Man, knife, bro. Hold on.
Nice.
Hold on.
Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas, Pina.
Mis amores.
Yeah. Calling your mom.
Okay.
My dad's doing bad, Pina.
Todavía.
Yeah, he has to wake up. Huh?
¿Cómo se llama?
Opening up his present.
Happy New Year. Happy. Estoy llamando. Merry Christmas. ¿Cómo estás, José Manita?
Yeah, cool. Camera. Hey. Shit.
Hey, mi amor.
Pina wants to say Merry Christmas.
Mi corazón, Merry Christmas.
You too, Pina.
Tu hijo, ay, Octavio.
Why is the mother like Savvy though?
¿Y los besos de mamá Pina? A ver.
I'm gonna have to help you set that. I'm gonna have to help you set that up.
Oh.
What?
Pásame, Tony.
Came with the school.
A ver,
Oh, talk to. I'm opening my present
Nina,
now.
feliz Navidad.
Okay.
Ya me levantaron los regalos.
Hey, go. Let me see.
Ya se van.
¿Se supo? Okay. Don't for me, bro.
¿Por qué vas a comer margaritas?
This is too heavy. Wow. Damn, Jose. It's a big
No,
box.
más o menos.
I'm gonna have to help you set that up. I'm gonna help you, okay? You mind you help me set this up? Cause I don't know how. Open it.
Ustedes no sé qué hacer, mira, porque claro que están haciendo. A lo mejor ni siquiera. Pues está,
Esse é mais, né? Esse é mais, né?
otro.
Esse é mais. Drive, fast drive. Came with the fast drive and everything. Okay, there's the box. Came with the keyboard. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Came with the keyboard. Don't for me, please. Don't hold on. Hold on, bro. Don't for me, please. Hold on, bro. I'm trying to don't for me. How's open the box?
Algo que le dijo que vaya a estar muy caro.
Yeah, it's nice, Jose. I'm opening up my present, guys. Yeah, Mom, we need to set this up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to help you set that up. So I'm gonna give this box back to you. Here you go, buddy. Keep that.
Okay.
Huh? I'm gonna give this box back to you. There you go. Here's your box. I'm gonna give it back.
Good.
There's my package. I know what this is. It's on the floor. Okay. I'm trying to do this too. I think I know where we're gonna put it at. I told him already. I don't know where we're gonna put this at. This is too big. This is too big.
¿Dónde le vas a poner?
This is too big. This is the big monitor.
You can't carry that up.
This is too
That's
big.
my edge.
The one you turn on before Christmas. need to set this up. I'm gonna stop recording.